Ford Sync 4 is the latest version of Ford's infotainment system, designed to keep you connected with features like wireless Apple CarPlay, enhanced voice recognition, and cloud-based navigation. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your iPhone to the Sync 4 system in your Ford vehicle. Start by going into Settings and tapping Add Phone on the vehicle's touchscreen.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
On your iPhone, open your Bluetooth settings. Under Other Devices, your vehicle should appear in the list. Tap your vehicle's name. A pairing code will appear on both the touchscreen and your phone. Make sure the codes match, then confirm the pairing on both screens. Next, you'll be asked if you want to download your contacts. Allowing this lets Sync 4 display caller names and show your text messages. You'll also be prompted to enable Apple CarPlay. Go ahead and allow it. Sync 4 supports wireless CarPlay, so no cable is required. Once connected, you'll be able to access apps like Spotify, Apple Music, and Maps directly from the touchscreen. Control your music, get directions, and use your favorite apps all without touching your phone.